Pine Acres RV here coming to you with a brand spanking new Cedar Creek. This unit is to be ordered. Check out the view on this. This, folks, has a slide up on the door side or the fire side. Very unique. Look at the bunk room number 1. The master bedroom with a king-size bed. Lots of windows. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at the L-shaped sofa. That does convert into a bed. We got the dining section. Hello, hidden storage compartment. Love it. Oh, you got more kids? No problem. Another bunk room for them, or a loft. Check out this beautiful bathroom. A one-piece fiberglass shower. Woo! A spot to put your washer dryer. You can live in this thing. Come on down.
If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.